You know, I wanted to give you an idea of what you can do when you have a really good baguette made. Of course, you can make a sandwich. You can put avocado, olive oil, tomato on it. You can put honey and butter. But one of the best things to do is to make garlic bread. And so what I'm going to do right now is actually show you how to do that. You can make as much as you want, and you can use the whole thing. I'm going to cut this one in half, because if you're not going to use it all, if you keep it together, it'll actually stay better and not dry out. And I'm going to use some butter, some garlic powder. Now you can actually get a clove of garlic like this and put actual garlic on top of it, and I'll do that in one area. You cut the ends off the garlic, smash it a little bit, and it makes the peel really easy to pull off. Then just dice it. What I'm going to do is use some really good grass-fed butter. Now, you know, cows are not supposed to eat anything but grass, so it's good to find a butter that, like this one, Kerrygold. It says, in Ireland, cows graze on the green pastures of small family farms. And, you know, that's really what we want, because that's what they were meant to eat, and that's when the butter tastes the best. So what I'm going to do is slice some pieces. And there's a lot of butters that are grass-fed, and of course you don't have to do that, but I just like it the best. I'm laying 4 pieces on there. Then on this next one, we'll just put a couple, put a little bit less. See how many I can get here. 1, 2, and 3. I don't have any problem with a little too much butter. Then I'm going to lay a little bit of that diced garlic on one of them. The rest I'm going to use, oops, we don't want to use too much. Make sure to keep the openings there. And just put some garlic on there. You'll know once you make it once or twice how much you like, and you can always add more after. But then what's going to make it really good is Parmesan cheese. And you know, if you have the shake cheese, that's fine to use. I just happen to get this type. The shake cheese is excellent. Just lay this on top of it. And I could just as well be doing this on the cookie sheet now. But I've turned my broiler on already. What we're going to do now is just take each one of these and set it right on the tray. And my broiler's already on, and I'm just going to set it in. Do not touch the oven. And now what we do is we want that broiler to be on the top, so you'll leave the oven open a little bit so that that broiler actually gets red hot. And we're not trying to cook that bread anymore. We're just trying to melt everything on top. And so we'll leave that open just a little bit, and that'll make that broiler turn on. You can see what that looks like. And I checked it once already. It's only about 3-4 minutes, right around there. And it starts to get completely melted on the top. Then you pull it out. And I would grab it with my fingers, but I think the safer thing to do is, well, get one finger on there, set it on that cooling rack. And that, my friends, is the best garlic bread you've ever tasted, and the most nourishing also. So whenever you have a baguette like this, you're going to nourish your body for starters from that. You can use it for so many things, but this is one of the best. And I want to let you see what it looks like when somebody actually tries it. Me. But it's a bit hot right now, so give me a second, and the magic of editing will allow that to happen. Okay, just like that, we're back. And now the time for the payoff. This bread is going to be good. I'm sorry that you're not having it right now along with me, but it'll happen soon enough. It's fantastic, as I'm sure you can see and guess. That end is actually the one with the garlic clove that's cut. And it's both splendid. I don't really want to talk with my mouth full. So like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be eating this for a little bit. See you soon.